Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk you through the steps to view shared photos in a Telegram chat on your PC using the latest update. Whether you're looking for memorable images or important files, this guide will make it easy for you to access them. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from Telegram's official website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your chats displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, find the chat where you want to view the shared photos. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Scroll through your list of chats or use the search bar at the top to locate the specific chat. Once you've found it, click on the chat to open it. Now, look at the top of the chat window for the chat's name or title. Click on this name to open the contact info page. This section provides details about the chat, including its members and all shared media. Once you're in the contact info page, look for a section labeled Media or Photos. Click on it to access all the images shared within that particular chat. Telegram organizes these photos neatly, allowing you to scroll through them effortlessly. You can view each photo individually or download them directly to your device if needed. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily browse through all shared photos in any Telegram chat on your PC. This feature is perfect for revisiting cherished memories or quickly finding important images. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. See you next time.